Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew lentils Trini-style. This beloved Caribbean dish is known for its rich flavor and comforting texture. We'll cover everything from selecting the right lentils to simmering them to perfection. Get ready to create a delicious and hearty meal that will transport your taste buds straight to Trinidad. Let's dive into the process and make some amazing stew lentils. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of dried brown lentils, rinsed thoroughly. For the aromatic base, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 ripe tomato. Don't forget fresh herbs such as a few sprigs of thyme and a small bunch of cilantro, also known as bantania. A dash of Caribbean green seasoning and a hot pepper, like a Scotch bonnet, are also key for that authentic Trini kick. First, rinse your lentils well. In a pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté the chopped onion, garlic, and tomato until they are soft and fragrant. Add the green seasoning, thyme, and cilantro, stirring for about 1 minute. Next, add the rinsed lentils and enough water to cover them by about 2 inches. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for approximately 30 minutes or until the lentils are tender. Once the lentils are tender, it's time to perfect the flavor. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of richness and a creamy texture, stir in about 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. Serve your hot, flavorful Trini stew lentils alongside steamed rice, roti, or even a simple piece of sada roti for a truly authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.